Alright, today we're going to learn how to paint a sea turtle. Alright, so what is the benefit of COVID-19? Alright, let's run through the colors. Quin red, pearly red, cad yellow, primary yellow, Van Dyke brown, phthalo green, Mars black, titanium white, ultramarine blue, Quin blue. Alright, today we're going to paint a sea turtle. So one benefit of COVID-19, obviously terrible for humans, but was great for sea turtles. So because all the beaches were kind of shut down and people were blocked from going to the beach, many beaches where turtles would lay eggs but were usually overpopulated, they were able to lay eggs in those areas. And so the sea turtle population has recovered greatly because of this boom in shut down beaches, which is a real benefit to the sea turtle. So kind of suggests maybe we should live more in balance with nature, since we're obviously overextending nature for other animals. And that's the question of the day. Just finished. Let's take a closer look. So we got this really nice baby blue sky from kind of that distant sky. Originally it had kind of this break line where, you know, obviously the camera's underwater, but I just didn't like that, so I just kind of wiped that out and left that as is. Kind of painted around the turtle. Got these really nice kind of brown highlights around the turtle, which contrasts nicely around the blues that it's surrounded in. You got this nice shadow forming on the bottom of the ocean. I think this one turned out pretty good. It's got good composition with kind of that break line at the third at the top, and then kind of, you know, the turtle's kind of at the bottom. It's not perfectly proportionate. I mean, I was measuring as I went along, but I don't think I got the fin quite right, but these are kind of frustrating creatures to paint. I just found out. I don't know how people paint these. These are so hard. But yeah, every creature is different, has its own quirks. But this one has a lot of texture to it, so it's kind of like really hard to get that texture for this creature. You got to find the right brushes. You kind of end up detailing those lines on the scales over and over again, so that's kind of annoying. But overall, I think it turned out pretty good. Hopefully you guys like it. Give me a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see the full version, check my Patreon account. If you'd like to subscribe, you can subscribe below. And I'll see you in the next painting video. Thanks for watching, guys.